Let's do this.
Yep, it's your favourite raving lunatic, Brom, here again, and we're off today to go and see Peter Aucklett. He's a good old Aussie battler, and he's there ticking away in his garage there in the back of Newcastle somewhere, and he's knocked up a couple of crackers, so we thought we'd go around and check it out and bring it to you. So make sure you stick around and check that out, and make sure you like and subscribe, and there we go. Thank you very much.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Let's do this.
Brom's Garage Crawl! Let's do this!
Very nice. Okay, look at this. Hello, Peter. I'm Brom. How you doing, mate? You all right? Good on you, mate?
Bumper magazine. I'll get a picture
Wow.
of you all there before we leave. All Pelicans.
Tell us about your Austin, mate.
Your Austin, okay. What do you need to know?
All right.
Looks like an Austin A40, but it's not an Austin A40.
Yep.
It's let's start from the bottom. It's got a LC Tirana front end,
Right.
disc brakes front. Got a CA18 Nissan turboed engine.
Wow.
It has the gearbox to suit, which is an M6 or something. I don't know
Wow.
what it is.
See, this would fly.
Yeah.
Absolutely fly, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it gets along all right.
Unreal, mate. And it's a hot rod. That's freaking cool.
Yeah, that's what the engineer said it was, so I believe him.
Yeah, it is a hot
It's got
rod.
a Toyota Hilux diff.
Okay.
But it's all been modified. It's got a new centre and short.
Unreal, mate. I love it.
Something a bit different.
So how long have you owned this?
Oh, God.
This is something you built. You put it together? Yeah. It's fantastic.
Picked it up about, I don't know, 40 years ago.
Okay.
And I did it up as an Austin A40. It blew up.
Yeah.
The engine went kaput. So I went, right, let's turn it into something different. And that's
Unreal.
what it is.
That's fantastic.
Kind of taught me a little bit about building hot rods, you know.
Yeah, absolutely. And that roof line, is that original like that with the vinyl?
It was a canvas top ute, right?
Yeah.
Back in the old days, but it used to come to about here.
Okay.
I couldn't sit in there. I'm too
Yeah, I was
big.
going to say it looks.
So I've moved the cargo barrier back and put the bucket seats in it, and I was in there this morning. It's a comfortable car to sit in.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah. Good stuff, mate.
Yeah.
There's a lot of hard work gone into that.
Yeah, it took a while.
Not bad.
Everything I do, everything takes a while.
And what year model's this Chevy pickup?
Righto, this is something a bit different. It's a bit of a pizza.
Right.
It has, it's a Chev with 39 Chev with 1934 C1 International mudguards and running boards.
Okay. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Look. Looks like it's meant to be.
Yeah, it all went together pretty well.
Okay. The rear guards sort of throw it, but
Pardon?
the rear guards are a tell, but the front.
I made
oh,
them
right.
there, partially 44-gallon drums and
okay,
a bit of
yeah.
other steel. I kind of looked around for mud guards and I couldn't find anything, so I just said to myself, well, this is what we're going to do, and this is what they turned out to be. I had a couple of 44s here. I hacked them out, added a bit to it, and
They look great.
yeah, kind of.
And unique.
This is a homemade exhaust system.
Yeah. Okay. So that's a Commodore motor, is it, or
Yeah,
LS?
it's from a 1979 VT Commodore Series 1,
Yep.
which means it's not an LS1, it's
Right.
before that.
Okay.
It's the one before that,
Yep.
which is the 304 roller cam V8.
Should run great, wouldn't it?
It goes, sounds, right, so far, I've only driven it to the edge of the curve.
Oh, right. Okay. This is all really brand new. Well done, mate.
Yeah, we're
I think
waiting
it's going to be cool.
on the 26th, the International, the engineers coming.
Who's your engineers? Which ones are you
It's
using?
Apple Mullen.
Okay. Yeah, right.
He's
Unreal,
the man,
buddy.
He's the man I'm in touch with. The dash hasn't gone back together properly yet,
Okay.
but it fits into the hole and everything
Yeah.
perfect's The auto electrician's still mucking around a little bit with it, so
That's awesome. Well done, mate. I really like it.
Got a 9-inch Ford diff,
Yep.
rebuilt.
Cool.
Stick around.
Okay, no worries.
Right, I was up there. It's a silver 48 pickup.
Right.
What's it got? Oh, it's got a loan for 48.
A little one. Fantastic.
Good boy, Gary. Good.
How good's Pete? Knocking these things out in his garage in his spare time. Unreal, isn't it? And he's putting that little bloody turbo Toyota motor in an Austin A40. The bloody thing would fly, wouldn't it? Anyway, good on you, Pete. We love a battler, and we're here to champion you, mate. So good on you. Thanks for your time today. Anyway, people, make sure you like, subscribe, and share. It's free to subscribe. It really is. And I won't annoy you and send you emails every day. Just get on board, help us out, and we'll keep doing this till I drop dead. Thanks, guys. Bye.